What's up, trains and carriages? Let me show you the signal. It's straight through there. You can see it. There it is.
Get up on the right up towards the front. Oh, no, it's a different train altogether. It's not the branch line train. It's an empty oil. Or maybe a loaded gas. Nope, that looks hold on. That could be loaded gasoline.
4354. 4364 or 43?
I think it's empty.
No, is it 4354 or 4364?
I didn't see it.
Look how compressed the handles are. How compressed are the handles?
Are the springs in the middle?
Yeah.
They don't look very compressed. They look, because tankers are heavy anyway. They already weigh 88,000 pounds, so I'm thinking that they're not loaded. Thinking they're empty.
Well, then why was that train in the siding?
I don't know. Possible the crew ran out of hours, maybe, or there's no room in the Everett yard for them yet.
Was E on that train? Was E on that train?
Who?
E.
Eric? I don't know.
Is E on there or? It's the same day. How I filmed the last one. There are the engines.
There's the end.
That concludes the end of this video. Wait, let's watch the gates go up. That concludes the end of this video. Always remember to spread those notifications and hit like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. So bye.